maybe they can, you know, come up, take on a bigger role, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Every time I talk about the future, it makes me sound like I'm full of myself or something. Yeah, you gotta have goals, you know? And I haven't set any kind of monetary or numeral goals for followers or views, anything like that, but I'm starting to now because I spend a lot of time on it. And if I didn't have goals, I'd be silly, man. So I'd like some feedback in the comments if anyone's watching this video still about what I could do differently with the GoPro video here or any of the other YouTube content, what games I could play through, kind of style, whether it be quick cuts of action, playthroughs, videos like this, whether they should be played back at the same speed, sped up with music, quick cuts of funny things that happen while on bike rides, I don't know. I'm actually really bad at video editing. It smells like, fermented grains around here for some reason. I know that smell. I grew up on a farm. It smells nasty. Cleaning out those bins in the springtime was always a treat. Why we didn't do that when it was still cold out, I don't know. I guess because everything's frozen. I just followed orders. Getting sort of a tricep workout because I lean in to talk into the microphone and hurts my neck and I get sprains my arms, so one spot up ahead, I always stop for a moment, grab a drink of water. Spot on the river that's nice. I feel like I went this far this time, I don't know. Weird. So time goes by a little bit faster when I'm mindlessly pedaling, thinking of other things. It's kind of good. I can't believe people actually get together and swim in this water. that nasty ass water. I remember the other thing from yesterday is the trolley was out, so I'm gonna keep my eye out for that when I go up on the city streets. We'll see if we can have a trolley spotting. It was out yesterday, so it might be out tonight, this afternoon too. Who knows? Like during the week there's more homeless people and like not enough wanderers in the park. They don't know what that's all about. See them camped out every once in a while. Been on quite a few night bike rides too, on the same trail, so it's just a flashlight on the end of my handlebars, and I don't really ever see anybody, not too often. See just a few people sleeping under the bridges and shit. They're all ready to go tubing, I guess. I guess that's a thing. Man, it won't catch me doing that. Ugh. Disgusting. Well, you gotta be really careful. I didn't even know the river, like there's spots like that. Those falls. The little area. Rocks and stuff. The only time I ever went tubing. Like 30 seconds into it, my back hit these rocks, man. What a great start. Never went back. It's not fun for me. Got into running and blew my knees out. Started biking when I realized I could. Just haven't been able to get back into running yet. I want to desperately. I started going on the treadmill a couple times a week to just see how my injuries are going. I can do about half a mile at a time now, so it's kind of like how when I first started running, but this time it's like the pain. Pain in my knees, you know. So it's great. Just keeping my leg strength up, keeping my cardio going. Biking is not nearly the same. Oh my god. I mean, it works your legs a different way, and it's not a whole lot else. So. Trolleys, I didn't get a catch up. Gotta catch the trolley at least. Nothing really else interesting happening right now. It's a cool trip, honestly. Whoa, that's dangerous. What the hell is he doing? You gotta be kidding me. Alright. Are you joking right now? What are you doing? Give me the fucking stink eye. Beauty. Alright. What a moron. What is he thinking? Honestly. Lost my towel somewhere along the way here. The trolley's gonna catch me. Slow down right there. Yesterday I was chasing the trolley. Not today, friends. I think I'll climb the hill today. I'll show you what I mean by that. I'm ready for this. I'm not going to make this light. Told you. Fuck's sake. heavy snow. I don't want to climb the damn hill at that noise. Real pain in the ass if the dirt is really soft under the grass, you know. Let's go all the way around. Take a scoot by the park here. Oh, this is LARPing. Take a closer look. It's really cool. pretty much it. If you have any comments or suggestions, please post them in the section below. Everyone have a great day.